Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I will show you how to download videos from a private Telegram group straight to your PC using just your browser and a couple of easy tools. First things first, open your Telegram in your web browser. Make sure you are logged in and have access to the private group that has the video you want to download. Next, go to the Chrome Web Store and search for an extension called TimperMonkey. It's a popular user script manager that lets you run custom scripts in your browser. Go ahead and install it. Once TemperMonkey is installed, click on its icon in the top right of your browser and open the dashboard. From there, you can add new scripts. Now here's the key part. Search online for a user script called Telegram Video Downloader, and that's compatible with TemperMonkey. There are a few out there, so pick one with good reviews or community trust. Once you have added the script, refresh your Telegram web page. You should now see a download button next to videos in your private groups. Just click it and the video will start downloading directly to your PC. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.